I don't think we have 5 to 9 inches of snow in our forecast.
No, not at all. Not when temperatures are into the mid-60s like they were today. The coasts are dealing with storm systems. In the central part of the country, it's all warm temperatures, and we're part of that. So that's what's going to be our forecast through this weekend. Then get ready for some big changes. I want to show you this. Let me start with a national look at what to expect, and we'll show you those 2 storm systems on the coast. But you'll see that the central part of the country is quiet. The vast majority of the U.S. is dealing with lots of sunshine, and I mean temperatures that feel more like April or May as a big surge of warmer temperatures move in. There's the rain still moving in for the west coast, and then that snowy system that's moving into the northeast. In the meantime, look at these temperatures surging. 86 for Dallas. I mentioned that a little bit earlier. And then you see this. This is the front that's been meandering across parts of the Midwest for the past 3 or 4 days. It's going to meander a couple of more days, which means that our temperatures are likely going to stay warm, but there's been a lot of variability here because when the front sags a little farther to the south, like it's expected to do tonight, we'll see those temperatures cool down a bit, and then we'll see it meander a little bit more, likely getting us back up into the 50s for tomorrow. But at some point, surge of warmer air will move our way, and a big strong front's going to come through and move all of this out of here. So this particular model gets us close to 70, if you can believe that, by Sunday. If we get to 70, that would break records. I'm going to tone down back off of that just a little bit. I'm going to say 65, but it's certainly possible we could get close to 70, but look at how strong that front is. Watch what happens here. I've stopped it here at 4 p.m. I'll let this run just 12 hours later. We go from near 70 and just 12 hours later to 4 a.m., we're down into the 20s. That is going to be an incredibly fast drop in temperature. And in order to do that, you've got to move the air mass. That means it's going to be incredibly breezy all the way through Monday as this cold air continues to flood in. This is one particular model's output when it comes to actual temperatures, getting us close to the single digits by Tuesday morning. Again, I'm a little bit more moderated in some of the temperature forecasts. So that warm part of the forecast, Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to go 65, but no, you could be 5 or 6 degrees either side of that. It's also going to come with a chance for some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms as that front moves through. Wouldn't be surprised if we even see some severe thunderstorm warnings sometime late Sunday evening as that front's going to be pushing some colder air through. It's also going to have some gusty winds with it. We'll watch Sunday evening carefully, and then you'll see the temperatures drop in a big way. These are high temperatures expected for Sunday to Monday, from 65 to 22. But when you also factor in the overnight low temperatures that we're expecting, going from 65 down to 17, you're talking about nearly 50 degrees of drop in temperature over the course of maybe 24 to 36 hours. This is going to be an incredibly powerful front that moves through. After that, we try to warm up a little bit. We get back to 37. This is where we should be for this time of year, just to put things in perspective for you. A little bit of a cool down, though, for Thursday. Temperatures are a little bit back to where they should be for the end of December, early January, in this part of the 7-day forecast.